If you're an IT professional looking for the best tool to handle remote IT support, then GoTo Resolve might just be the solution you need. It's designed to simplify remote support and IT management, and with its intuitive interface and powerful features, it claims to be a standout option in the market. But is it truly the best? Stick around until the end of this video to find out, and make sure you don't miss the exclusive offer I have for you. Let's dive right into the main points and get straight to what GoTo Resolve brings to the table. First off, GoTo Resolve's standout feature is its easy-to-use remote support capabilities. With this tool, IT professionals can instantly access a user's device to troubleshoot and resolve issues. It's incredibly streamlined and works across different devices, making it a versatile option for those managing various systems. But here's the thing, it works well, but it's not the most customizable solution out there. For some, the simplicity is a strength. For others, it might feel a bit too limited. Next, GoTo Resolve also offers robust integration with other GoTo products, which can be a huge benefit if you're already using their other tools. The integrated ticketing system allows for a smooth workflow, keeping track of incidents and providing visibility to IT teams. That said, if you're not already invested in the GoTo ecosystem, the integrations might not be as powerful or seamless compared to other standalone competitors. The third thing to consider is the security aspect. GoTo Resolve provides solid encryption and remote access features that ensure data protection during sessions. It's good, but let's be real, many other competitors have gone above and beyond in terms of advanced security features. If top-tier security is a critical factor for your business, you may find GoTo Resolve slightly behind in that area compared to other leading solutions. Now, let's talk pricing. GoTo Resolve offers competitive pricing for remote support tools, but if you're a larger IT team or enterprise, you might find that other solutions provide better scalability or features for a similar price. As with any product, you'll need to weigh the cost against the functionality you're getting. And here's where I need to be upfront. While GoTo Resolve is a great option for IT professionals, it's not always the best fit for every organization. In fact, I've got a few alternatives to show you that I think might actually provide better value and functionality for remote IT support. These options have more customization, better security, and more advanced integrations that may serve your goals more effectively. Before we wrap up, let me mention something important. If you decide to give GoTo Resolve a try, I've got a special link for you that offers an exclusive and extended free trial. Plus, I'm adding some amazing alternatives that offer their own free trials and might be better for your specific needs. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, which remote IT support tool is truly the best for IT professionals? Watch the next video for my full comparison, including the alternatives I mentioned, and make sure to grab that free trial.